Hmm. If we want to store the data, our data is permanently right in the database, so we have need what one database. So but what we are doing that our Java application, right? Our Java application, this is think about that this is our Java application, right? If we want to store our Java application data in database, so what we have need, one technology we have need, right? We have need what one technology, right? So which can perform the data, right? Which can store the data in the database. For that purpose what we are using is spring, means normal JDBC. Normal JDBC is nothing but what technology, right? Technology. So okay, like for example this, using JDBC technology, what we are doing that we are storing the data in the database. But normal JDBC using but just normal technology, right? Normal technology, let's understand, right? Like that. For example, we have need to go 10 kilometer, right? If we want to go 10 kilometer, so by walk also we can go, by bike also we can go, by four-wheeler also we can go, right? So same like by walk, if we go that, right, it will take, if 10 kilometer means 3 to 4 hours it will take, right? It will take 3 to 4 hours. Okay. If we use bike, right? If we use bike, we will reach within the 30 minutes or not. So same like, right? Technology, using technology also we are performing the operation, right? To save the data. But here we are collaborated to learn what is spring JDBC. So spring JDBC is nothing but what framework, means good design pattern. Spring people given what some classes, JDBC template classes, using, so JDBC template classes, right? JDBC template class, right? So using this JDBC template class, what is that boilerplate code is there, right? Boilerplate code. Spring people recognize it, right? Recognize it ki, okay, whatever using in the technology, whatever code we are writing frequently every time, let's reduce in it. All things will do what JDBC template only, and programmer just concentrate to writing query, and what is that printing the data, right? So those burden will those burden reduces by whom JDBC template. But first let's understand, like, let's understand. Okay Sundaram, no problem. Okay, now if you have the network issue, don't worry about that. Okay. So, but JDBC. So first, what we are doing that normal, using normal JDBC, right? Using normal JDBC, what kind of every time what we are doing that, like just registering. What we are doing that register, register the register JDBC driver, right? We are first what we are doing that we are doing that registering the driver. Okay, we will take this one here only, right? Because after then we have need to understand these things again. Registering the driver. After then second one, what is that? Establishing the connection, right? Between what our Java application to database application, right? We are establishing the connection, right? So establish the connection, right? Okay. After then what we are doing that in the JDBC application, creating the statement, creating the statement, right, in the normal JDBC application. After then what if we are doing that, sending the execute SQL query, right? We are what we are doing that, send and execute SQL query, SQL query, right? After then Okay. So, after then what is that? After then sending the query, again what we are doing, that gathering the result, right? Gathering the result set means process the result. Okay. After then one exception, if we want to work on what, if we want to work on what JDBC technology, JDBC technology throwing what checked exception, we have need to handle it, right? We must have to handle it. Okay. So exception handling, right? Exception handling. Okay. After then what is that? Closing the connection. JDBC object, right? Whatever object OBJ, whatever object we are opening that, right? All object, what we are doing that, we are closing also, right? This much processing we are doing, right? In that what is that? Spring people recognize that in every application what we are doing that, from here to, right, from here to here, right, from here to here, the code is every time repeated, right? After the exception handling also, to closing also, right? Every time this code is repeated, right, repeated. So for that, okay, so for that spring people given what, JDBC, what is that? JDBC template, one class, they are given one concrete class, right? So concrete class means, let's understand what is that. Means just divide it first, divide it, right? So we are learning what design patterns, right? We are learning what design patterns. Okay, in that JDBC is what? JDBC is technology, right? Technology. And template is nothing but what is that? Design pattern. Design pattern, right? Oh, together it comes what in the spring class, right? This is comes in the classes, right? This one is will comes in spring, what is that? Classes. Okay. So means spring people is given what? Spring people is to make both, they given one name, right? To make both, one JDBC, to perform database operation, what is that? JDBC template. JDBC template, right? One class they are given, right? One class they are given. So in that, what's happening is using JDBC template. Using JDBC template, what operation we can perform? What kind of operation we don't have need to write again and again? Okay, now let's understand, right? Let's understand. So first, what we are doing, that loading in the JDBC, normal loading the driver, loading the driver class, right? Class that for name, in that we are loading the driver or not. Okay. Okay, so again next step what we are doing, that next step what we are doing, that creating connection, right? Creating the connection. Okay, after then what is that? What we are doing, that prepare what is statement. Yes, tmt, just I'm writing, right? Preparing the statement. After then what operation we are doing, that writing. Okay, writing SQL. See boss, if we start any model, first theoretical is there, right? So these things I will implement in the what, in the programmatically things. So only I will give the analysis, but I know that theory will little bit boring things, okay na? But you have to understand, make the patience, okay na? Because in the theory only practical is there, right? So please listen the things carefully, right? Because this is the things new we started today, right? So we have need to understand as a first what theoretically. After then we will when we will implement, then at the time I able to give what analysis, okay na? So please listen, be carefully the things, okay? So now writing what is that? Writing SQL query. Writing SQL query. After then what is that? Set data to SQL query, we are setting the data, right? SQL set data to SQL query, right? All things I will tell at the time of practical, right? After then, what is that? Execute, and what is that? Execute and what? Iterate. After then, what is that? Read and what? Print the result, right? Result. After then, what is that? Again, close the connection, right? So this much operation. Okay, so what is that? Spring people recognize it. Okay, means what is that? JDBC template, right? Spring framework is said that. What is that? Spring framework is said that. Okay, from here to here, come, and let's see that, right? Creating the connection, loading the driver, creating the connection, and preparing the statement, right? Creating the connection, preparing statement, and writing the SQL query. Statement SQL query. Oh, one thing is missed, right? 1 minute, friend. Here preparing statement, right? Preparing statement, creating connection, and here. Okay, one more thing is there, right? Loading driver. Okay, these things. Okay na, these things who will take care? Loading driver, creating connection, and preparing statement, right? After then what? Spring is after then means these things also. uh, Execute and iterate, right? Execute and iterate these things, and after then what is that? Closing the connection, right? Closing the connection. These operation, right? These operation is said that Spring framework, right? Spring framework is said that, okay programmer, Spring framework, right? Spring framework, Spring framework said that, a programmer, I'm not giving too much burden. Okay, this code is frequently every time. If you want to perform any operation, you have need to work every day. So it will take too much time, right? It will take too much time to develop and reduce the project, right? Release the project to our client. So what I'm doing that, I'm given one class, right? In that class, I designed that class, right? I designed that class by using this class just only one time, right? Only one time you have to configure these things. Okay na, after then you don't have need to work every time frequently, right? So okay, these things I will take care. Okay na, these things boilerplate codes I will take care. Okay na, developer just concentrate to develop, means to write these things in your project, right? To write these things in your project. What is that? Just write SQL query and set data to SQL query. After then read the data, right? These operation by developer, right? Developer you have to do, right? And these things I will take care. These things I will take care, right? This is the developer. Okay. So these things, who will take care? Developer will take care, right? These operations means the burden here, developer burden is reduced or not? Just writing the query, setting the data, after setting the data, just read the data, right? So these operation who will take care? Programmer or developer, right? Programmer, right? Programmer will take care. Okay, so okay, but what is that? To configure means to load these things, right? To load these things, what we have need, and what we have. Let's enter as what? To concentrate as a programmatically approach, right? Let's concentrate and at the programmatically approach, right? So For that, what is that? Spring people is given what? Data source interface, right? Data source interface. Data source interface. But we know that, right? This is what? Interface. This is what? Interface. So we know that we can't create, right? We can't create object of what? Object of what? Interface. So for that, using this interface, right, we have need what? Its implementation class also or not. So if we want to work on its implementation class, right, so spring people is given just normal spring framework, right? Spring framework is given its implementation classes what? Its implementation classes what? Driver manager data source, right? Driver manager data data source, right? In this, this is what? This is the interface. This is what? Class, right? Driver manager data source is a class, and data source just is a interface, right? This is what? Just interface. In that driver manager, what we are doing, that loading the driver. How we are loading the driver? In spring jdbc class dot for name. So for that, in driver manager, right? So how we will create that? Just we will create what? Des, right? Des equal to new driver manager data source, right? This is what? In that, what we will do now? How we will set? Just ds dot set driver class, right? Class driver class. In that, what we are doing, that how we are loading the driver? How we are loading the driver? That just I'm loading here what? Oracle driver, right? Here I will write Oracle driver class with fully packaged name, right? After then, what we will do now? After what we will do now? Ds dot, right? Ds dot. All these things I will, when I will start the practical friend, I will use it. Please listen, be careful, because in the theory only practical is there. Spring JDBC template, right? So now Ds dot, what is that? Set, right? Set what is that? Set url is there, right? In that, what we are doing, that in that, what we are doing, that here we are establishing the connection, right? How driver manager dot get connection, right? In that, we are writing the username, password, and connection, right? Localhost, using localhost, right? Like we are giving what? Host name, like Oracle. I'm not remember those things. I will copy from the internet only, right? Here, what we are giving the path of Oracle database, right? To connection statement to connect our database. After then, what is that? We know that our database, if we use MySQL, what is that? Oracle. This database is what? Secure database, right? Secure database. Oh, localhost port number. Suraj, I know that. Okay. So localhost and port number. Okay. So after then, what is that? Des dot, what is that? Username. Here, what is that? Here we are passing that, passing the username inside that, right? After then, what is that? Des dot, right? Des dot, what is that? Password, right? Password. Okay. So we are writing that, what here? Password. These things to work on what? This is based on this driver manager data source. What we are doing, that we, this is what? Think about that. This is our database, right? This is our database. To connect our database, our Java application, to connect our database, right? We have need what? Data source, means driver manager data source implementation, its implementation class, where we will write in spring, right? Where we will write what? Where we will write all information, means all to connect our with our Java application, to connect with what? Our database. All information we will give inside what? Driver manager data source, right? So driver manager data source, using driver manager data source, our Java application will connect with whom? Database. Okay na? So here, driver manager data source, this implementation class is given by default whom? Spring framework only, right? So if, but interface is a common only, right? Data source interface is common only, but I don't want to work spring framework, because spring framework, in the real time spring framework implementation class like driver manager data source people is not working using, right? So which one using basic data source? It's means third party company is giving what? DBCP people. DBCP people is given what? DBCP people is given what? Another the company more secure compared to Spring Framework, more secure, and even industry also using this one only, right? See boss, theoretical is going on, right? And if you people listen properly this theory, right, then it will I will make too much easy as a practical also, right? But please listen be carefully, because just 9 minutes again, this Zoom is free only. Okay, so again reconnect yourself. If you people listen theory, if you people don't want listen practical also, no problem, right? But when you will enter in the interview, right, interview room, interviewer will ask this question, okay na, at the time your face will become blank, okay? So please listen carefully. And even one here I will complete give one conclusion of one interview good questions, right? Even I'm also asking frequently to my whenever I'm taking the interview, okay? So okay, listen. Basic what is that? Basic data source. This is what one more implementation is given by whom? DBCP people, right? But don't worry, I will use this one also, but frequently I will use this driver only, right? This data source only. But one application I will show to you people using this one only, also, because if I use this data source, basic data source, right, implementation classes, so I have need to increase in our form.xml one more dependency, right? DBCP dependency. So don't worry about that. I will explain this one on also. But if we know this one, right? See, if we know that one to drive the car, right, or drive the bike. So if I get another bike, we can drive it or not. Same thing only, right? Same thing only. In this class also is there, right? Just what we will do now, it's implementation class. Means in this data source is common for all implementation class. Whatever we will use third party, we can use Spring Framework, right? For both is the same only, same data source only, right? But this is given by what? DBCP Apache people is given, right? So even in my project also we are using this basic data source only, okay? So okay, so let's move on, okay na? Let's move on, and we will see that, okay? So for that purpose, why we are using JDBC template today, right? So for that why we are using, we know that whenever in the real time, right, our application is a modular framework. Means modular application is there, right? Modular applications is there, like, right? So like DAO. So to interact means DAO layer. Whenever we are developing DAO layer, right? For those purpose, we are using what? JDBC to interact our Java application to whom? To whom? With the database, right? With the database. This is what our database, right? To interact our application with whom? Database, right? For that so Spring JDBC we are using in DAO layer, right? Here service layer, service layer. This one is what? Controller, right? In the service layer we are writing what? We are writing what? Business logic. And in the controller we are writing view logics, okay na? So for that and this is what in the model DAO layer, right? I will design our project like this only. We will design the DAO layer, right? How in the real time our project is there, okay na? So okay, so for that, so using this one, right? So let's understand the things, right? Let's understand these things using what? UML diagram, okay na? By seeing that UML diagram, what we will do now, we will develop our application, and I will try to give the imagination at the time, right? If you get that imagination at the time, right, then total JDBC will become easy for you people, okay na? Total JDBC will become what? Easy for you, okay na? So okay, let's, what is that, think about that, right? Think about that. So we know that, right? So think about that, this is what our database, right? This is our what, database. Okay, so this is our what, database. Okay, this is what, db. Okay, to interact with our spring up project, right? Which model, so oh, spring, 1 minute, how I can inject the things. Mhm. 1 minute, friends. I'm thinking that ki how much I can make the things, you people will get the easy. Okay na, first I will explain this one. Okay. Let's 1 minute, I'm stopping these things. First I have need to explain another things, okay na, then I will explain it, okay na. So what I said that, see, here I, in the core module I said that, right, driver manager, anything is what, bean only, right? So normal, what we are doing that, at the time of normal, think about that, just like what, this is the driver manager data source is there, right? Like that, think about that. Just I'm teaching core module, spring core module, friends, okay now. So just a driver, no, I, this is like, think about that, like public class, what is that, manager driver manager data source, right? This is our class, right? This is our class. Okay, this is our class, okay na. So in that, what is that, private is string, right? Private string driver driver class, right? Driver class, one attribute is there, another one is what, private string url, right? Url is there, another one is what, private string username is there, another one is what, private string password. These two to four attributes are there, right? So for that, this is what, our bean class, right? This is our what, bean class. So if we want, right, this is, but here whenever we are developing our core application, at the time, so number of bean equal to number of configuration, we are writing that or not. So think about that, this is our what, this is our what class, right? App configuration, app config, right? App config, this is what our app config class is there, right? App config class is there, right? So in that, at the time, what we are saying that, what I'm saying that, this is what, so how we are, public what is that, driver manager, what is that, data source, right? Number of means number of bean equal to number of, what is that, bean method, right? Inside that, what, configuration class. So if we want to make this bean as what, if we want to make this method as a bean, so what annotation we are applying, at the rate bean, right? At the rate bean annotation we are applying, right? In that we are writing that, what is that, what we are writing that, just again we are creating what, driver. Here I'm writing, sorry for that, dsdmd, just, oh sorry, friend, this one is a dsmds, right? We are writing like this, okay na, we are writing like that. After then, what is that, we are setting the data, right? We are setting the data, right? So same like, but here at the time of development, right? At the time of development, here who is given spring people is given, right? Spring, yes, yes, configuration. Just I'm giving the Suraj here analysis, right? All those things I already taught. Why I'm explaining, right? Some region is there. Again, here I know that, right? I will write here on the top of what at the rate configuration. Then this class will become at the rate configuration, right? So okay, okay na. So after then what we said that, right? But here what is that? Here what is that? Who is given? We are not writing this class.